Hey, it's Cooking with Missy. Today we are not cooking. Today we are going on an adventure to find the waterfalls for Fort McMurray. So let's get going down the hill. Here's the starting line. We're going down that path. Let's go. We're on Timberline Drive. But make sure you bring water and bug spray and wear good shoes. And make sure to bring an adult and make sure you have bear spray. So let's get going. Here's your next spot. We have to look for the journey on our waterfalls. Let's get going. Now we're gonna go through the tall grass. Let's go. In the trees. Look for the tree house on your adventure. We gotta go past these parts. All the ears to the waterfall. You can hear.